you know that millions of people suffer from heartbreaks in silence? Heartbreaks really hurt. Yes, I know it does. But do not allow the person who broke you to determine your happiness. Welcome to another episode of Relationship Gist on HOD TV and Radio. I remain your host, Courage Omijie.
Turn it up now, stay with the flow. One place for all, ready to go.
I'm going to be talking today on how to be healed from heartbreak. Many people take it well and others do not take it well. Some take it slightly and others do not. Heartbreak is painful, yes, nobody is disputing the fact. But the fact is, how do you manage your heartbreak? You should not, because you have an heartbreak, now swallow yourself in sorrow. No. Rather, allow the person to be free so you too can be free. If you are suffering from heartbreak, let the person go. Free the person from your mind. And how do you do that as a person? Forgiveness matters. When you forgive and you forgive that person and you are ready to forget, then you let go. Secondly, find yourself. When I mean find yourself, I mean look for what you like. You don't have to just remain in that hard place because you have been broken. No, you have to move forward as a person. It's just like eating a food and you decide not to eat because you saw fly. No, you remove the fly and you continue eating until you get to your satisfaction. And so it should be. When you suffer from heartbreak, do not remain there. Walk away from it, because if you stay there, it could either cause depression or obsession. And by so walking away from that heartbreak, one is finding your worth as a woman or as a man. Do what it is that you know will make you happy rather than making you remember your past. Then secondly, if you want to shop, go for shopping. Do whatever it is that gives you joy and satisfaction. So because of that, you are advised to see a counselor. You are advised to talk to someone. While others will take it lightly, when you leave a relationship or get an heartbreak from a relationship, you walk away. When I mean walk away and give them forgiveness by letting them go, so that they will be free and you too will also be free. And not just that, do not be eager to rush into another relationship. As a lady or as a man, do not rush into another relationship. All you need to do is take your time. Do whatever it is that makes you happy. Live your life. Do things that makes you even look more put together, more beautiful, more well dressed than when you were in a relationship. When you do these things, you find out that you are able to walk away from a relationship that has hurt you so much. So please, as a man and as a woman in a relationship and you want to walk away, then you can walk away peacefully without issue, instead of wallowing in pain because of an heartbreak. Do you know if that's God's plan for you? Many of you just feel that, relationship, you don't know the plan God has for you. Maybe breaking up was the most important thing that has to happen and it was ordained by God. So please, you have to pray. Even if a breakup comes, then pray to God, because He's the one that answers, He's the one that gives it, and He will give you perfection. Do not be in a relationship and do not pray. Pray, because God is everything. Everything perfect comes from Him. Everything good, everything sweet comes from Him. So if that heartbreak happens, then give glory to God. Thank Him for the heartbreak that has happened, because a better one is coming your way. Thanks for watching today's episode on HOD TV and Radio. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and follow. I remain your host, Courage Omijie.
HOD Television.